Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In this video, we're going to guide you through the complete setup process for the TP-Link AC1200 Mesh Wi-Fi range extender. Whether you're dealing with dead zones, weak signals, or simply want to extend your network's reach, the TP-Link AC1200 is the perfect solution to ensure every corner of your home stays connected. Stay tuned as we walk you through each step, making it easy for you to get up and running in no time. Let's start by unboxing the TP-Link AC1200 Mesh Wi-Fi range extender. Inside the box, you'll find the extender, a quick start guide, and a power cable. These items will get you well on your way to boosting your Wi-Fi coverage. Start by choosing a nearby power outlet for the extender, ensuring a smooth and stable initial connection process. Next, plug the extender into a power outlet near your router. Allow the power LED indicator to stabilize and turn a steady blue, indicating the setup is progressing smoothly. For a convenient setup, utilize the WPS method. Begin by pressing the WPS button on your router. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on the extender to establish a connection. Look for the LED to become solid blue, confirming that the setup between the extender and your router is successful. Alternatively, you have the option to set up using the TP-Link Tether app. Simply download and install the app from either the App Store for iOS devices or Google Play for Android devices. Upon launching the app, you'll have the choice to sign in with your current TP-Link ID or register a new account. This step is essential for managing and configuring your TP-Link AC1200 Mesh Wi-Fi range extender. Choose the range extender option, then proceed by following the step-by-step instructions provided on the screen. This will guide you through configuring your TP-Link Mesh Wi-Fi range extender effectively. Once connected, find the optimal location for your extender. Ideally, it should be halfway between your router and the area with poor Wi-Fi signal. Use the Tether app to check the signal strength and ensure the extender is in a good spot.